As STABLECU Electrical Technology Co., Limited, a company specializing in the R&D of core electrical products for industrial automation, we carefully select our flagship solutions to empower manufacturing upgrades. The TC70 Series All-in-One Touch HMI delivers a 7-inch HD display, rich interfaces, multi-protocol support, and integrated servo control capabilities. The DY3SA Series Customizable PLC offers flexible I/O points to meet diverse customization requirements. The DY3Y Series Compact PLC features a space-saving design with high-speed pulse control performance. The JSQ Series Bus Controller supports EtherCAT multi-axis motion and the CODES platform, engineered for complex control systems. The FT2 Series single-axis servo drive covers a wide power range and supports multiple bus communications and advanced control modes. The FM2 FM3 Series multi-axis servo drives provide high integration to save cabinet space and enable multi-axis synchronization. The MH Series servo motors, from compact precision models to high-power variants, combine high dynamic response with long-term reliability. The ST300 Mini VFD adopts an ultra-compact structure with independent cooling, ideal for confined installations. The ST310 General Purpose VFD energy-efficient operation with built-in braking, widely adaptable across industrial applications. The Permanent Magnet Synchronous Speed Control System utilizes FOC vector control for quiet, efficient, and smooth start-stop performance. STABLECU products bring dependable performance to deeply enable automation across industries. Choosing STABLECU means choosing the core driving force for manufacturing upgrades.